I was like, how hard could it be?
Exactly.
So for me, if you want credit and you haven't completed your degree, then you need to be in school full time. And I'll go easy on you, at least 9 hours. You understand? And then none of this W business. I learned about W's too when people said, oh, Stephanie, just withdraw. So if you start out at 12 hours and then you just slide in with a couple of W's, that will not count for me. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There'll be regular UAs. You can either do the regular UAs or you can do the patch. Your counsel will explain to you, patch costs more, but with the patch, they just put it on you and then you come back and let them take it off. There is to be defensive driving, proof of employment or full-time enrollment in school within 45 days. There's to be no employment with minors or as a home healthcare provider. If you go through your college and they want you to start doing an internship or something as a home healthcare provider, you can come back and ask the court. And I may allow it depending on how you've been doing on probation. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Field visits, 1 time per month for 2 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Your Honor, I have one question.
Sure.
Whenever I'm applying for jobs, do I have to go in and say yes for whenever I was convicted of a felony?
Well, this is not a conviction. What I can tell you is back in the day when I was 21, which was 2 years ago. Okay.
Last year.
Yeah, last year. There used to be a time where you would fill out a job application and the only thing they would ask you is, have you been convicted of a felony before? And you could say no, because this is deferred adjudication. It's not a conviction, right? But now they go a step further on some applications. They ask, have you ever been placed on deferred adjudication? So if they ask you that, you have to be honest. If they ask you if you've ever been convicted, the answer to that is no, because this is not a conviction. You understand?
Understood, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else?
Judge, this is also a request for early termination that the officer sent in. At the time, the ADA opposed the early termination because it's simply because he really doesn't feel like he's been on probation long enough. Mr. Perales he was granted probation in April of 2024 for a period of 2 years.
Mhm.
And he's completed everything. He's met all financial obligations and has completed his course